This video will show you how to use Zoom to record your presentation with yourself in it. Start with signing in Zoom. On the Home tab of the Zoom client, click Start with Video because you want to record yourself as well. So first is to make sure that you have audio and click Test the speaker and microphone. Can I hear it? Yes. And speak something. I can hear my replay. You can use any presentation software you like. I'm going to use Google Slides in this video. Same as in PowerPoint, just to click Present. Now back to your Zoom and click Share. Zoom will ask you which screen you'd like to share. If you have multiple screens, choose the one where your presentation is. Because Zoom is recording your video camera as well, just make sure your video camera is at a spot that's not blocking your presentation. And click the three dots. It says More, and then click Record. Click Record. So here, this little icon, it shows that recording is going on. And just to present as usual, that you would present in front of a class. And after you're done, go back to More and then click Stop Recording. And then stop sharing if you would. Exit the meeting and then click End Meeting for All. Your recording will be automatically converted into an MP4 file. It will also pop up the folder after conversion is finished. So here is the recording. And just to present as usual, that you would present in front of a class. This concludes this tutorial.